Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button DND, which is the Do Not Disturb mode. That's how you can switch it. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. For example, you can turn on schedule, so here you can select start time, end time, and here you can select at which days it will repeat. You can enable it all the time when device is locked. You can notify yourself about calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts, or from nobody. And there's also an option notify about repeat call if the same person calls you in a 15-minute period. And this is all the Do Not Disturb mode options here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.